What's up, YouTube?
Yeah. It's Princess
and Manny.
Okay, today we're gonna make slime. And man, I told a whole little story already.
Yeah, that you spent $40 at Walmart. You know why we spent $40 at Walmart? Every time we go to the store, this beautiful girl right here don't know what she wants. We end up spending unnecessary stuff. But anyways, we had bought
it. Oh, okay.
but we had bought some slime, right? We thought it was slime, but apparently it's just glue or ingredients for slime. So we got what we got?
It's
we got
pink.
We
have purple. We have blue.
Ooh.
And we're just gonna put them all in the bowl together and mix it together. And then we have this Tide. Tide makes slime. All you need is glue and Tide.
And that's all.
Make it slime.
Just need to.
Yeah. Okay. What color should we do first?
Let's do the pink one first.
You're so pretty.
That's cool. You gonna pour it?
Or do you want to do the pour and I do the?
Yeah, because you really want to do it. So all we gotta do is supposed to just pour the Tide in there and it's supposed to mix up all together.
Don't pour a lot. Pour it in there. Okay. Okay, stop. I'm a little kid.
I don't think we need a lot.
We don't. Stop. Don't put on more.
Put this back.
We might need some more glue, to be honest.
I don't know, but I know I'm gonna use these Tide for my clothes. Shoot. She already got one. I'm taking this back to the crib. Well, she know.
What? LOL. He said that. That's funny. What?
That's crazy.
I don't know. Like, I feel like the consistency is off. You put too much. What's it in?
Too much detergent?
That's what I'm feeling like.
No, you gotta stir it. It's just like macaroni and cheese. You gotta stir it. You gotta get all that cheese mixed in there, so you gotta get all that Tide in there and that glue. I'm gonna take a turn after you.
I feel like you put too much in there. I told you not that much. Oh, listen to me.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to save it.
For what? Because it's your favorite color?
To make more different slime. Okay. Emmanuel, why are you doing that? It's glue. It's gonna be stuck on my hands. Your hands aren't even in here.
She act like the whole thing ain't glue.
That's not funny.
I wonder if we gotta let it sit.
I really don't know how to make slime. I think I need more. It's sticky now. Okay, it's sticky. Wait a minute. I like this. It feels good though. That's not funny.
Oh.
Okay.
Do you need more of this?
It ain't too much. Yeah, come on. Give me some more of that. I just wasn't blended it in. You was right. I need to do. Okay, don't give me. Put some in my hand. Okay, stop.
She
I'm trying to get it off my hand.
She don't be thinking I know what I be talking about. I know how to do this.
Half the time he don't know what he's talking about.
Man, I know a lot. But she
say you know enough. You don't know a lot.
Like she wanna be Miss Know It All.
Know it all. And you know that though. See, like it's cool now. Like it's slime now.
It's slime now.
It's really slime. It looked purple more than anything.
I mean, the main two colors was that purple and that blue. That really.
Oh, I was trying to get it off my hand. See, it's coming off.
Yes,
It's getting stuck on your hand.
Nope.
I think it's because your hand's dry. If you want to see more slime videos, let us know.
Yeah, or if you want to see this go on, Princess, let me know. Look, you know, all I'm asking for is about 25 likes. I'll do it. I'll take that argument for you guys. Yeah, see,
I just want to say something different.
I know what you was going to say. If you guys like the video,
like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to push the notifications.
What the make us for?
More videos to come.
You already know.
More slime. Something else.
This was really fun, though.
What else can you make?
I would do this again, just because it was fun.
If y'all want to see,
and then like we can have our own separate slime. I want to play with it.
Yeah, you see how stingy she be with it, so you can have her own.
He was just calling me stingy earlier.
So, but you know, go ahead, subscribe to us. Peace.